Hey friends, it's Carrie. Today I want to show you how I make and use a project logbook to keep a record of my different projects. Making them is really easy. It's just 4 or 5 sheets of paper folded in half. I like to use graph paper, but of course that's not necessary. And then I fold a piece of cardstock in half and staple the whole thing together. I like to make a bunch of these at a time and then just grab one when I'm ready to start a new project. I started keeping these logbooks recently because, as someone who works on several different projects over the course of a year, I found myself struggling to remember some of the lessons I learned in previous projects. I've always been pretty good about keeping my patterns and templates organized, but it was frustrating trying to remember where I sourced certain materials or the steps I took to build something. If you saw my most recent puppet build, you might remember I completely forgot to add finger loops to the mouth plate before gluing it into the head. I recorded that oversight in my project logbook, and hopefully that's a mistake I can avoid in a future puppet project. On the last page of the book, I write the materials I used and where I purchased them. I write the date I work on the project on the inside front cover, and then I use the front pages to record the steps I took, the mistakes I made, and any other information that seems relevant or helpful for the next time. I probably won't keep a logbook for every individual project. I've been sculpting for so long it's become second nature to me, so I probably won't record those. But if one of my sculptures presents a challenging problem, then I'll probably want to document that. It's still a new system, so I'll have to take those case by case. For my puppet logbooks, I also took a sample of each of the materials I used and put them into a little bag. I haven't decided how I'm going to store these yet, but as I'm fond of saying, that's a problem for tomorrow, Carrie. If you have any tips about how you organize your creative space, please share them in the comments below. I love organizing my art studio, and any new tips that I can pick up would be greatly welcomed. Thanks for watching, friends. Have a magical day.